few hours to come. You are invited and welcome to participate in this peace prayer. It is under the parish. We had a gift that has been given by the Catechists of Arua Catholic Diocese to the Jubilarian, His Grace John Baptist Odama. Because of time factor, they have already left, but here is the gift that will be presented to you. With this, may I take this opportunity to welcome His Lordship, Alphonse Owino Chigamoi, the Chief Justice of Uganda, son of the soil, to come and say a word. You are most welcome. Ugelo para Chief Justice, Wabibero, Ikera Mewinyo, one, Rokwawa, Iko, Bishop Evangelist Belia.
I was consulting, didn't want to start on the wrong footing. Your Grace, the Archbishop, Guru Archdiocese, Archbishop Emeritus, Guru Archdiocese, your Lords, the Bishops, more particularly Bishop Franzeli, Los Acedo, the full soldiers of Christ, our political leaders, honorable ministers, members of parliament, district leaders, elected and appointed, the dead of Lulu. I am apologize and came late. Fortunately, I found way to translate into law what I've been saying in English. I want to say in vernacular, that while in the war, Ilo perde per quando lì các vị Giêsu trên bàn đọc truyền về đi cái môn kém như là người thì mấy bạn đi lên bọn mình có những cái đèn không và có biết không này và có cái đâu bia thì là nghe di bawah dunia wogi tiada dunia wogi Budia wogi perola Budia wogi wekno parwa punya wotwa manukitie kare inuni wotwa mawabiro kinge joma inuni wotwa mawabiro antie Doamne, poate la cie, mă merg la pe patio. Mere pe e kiri. Prima ala cie ko kagera. Anya no mo lo ine ni for Jesus There'll be no compromise. Kung Yesu, kung ada, ibu bibir manusia, tapi ada bibir manusia. Kalau orang bibir negatif ini, bibir berkomunikasi, kalau ada kan, maupun dia proses yang belum kacau dengan itu buat. Kalau orang bibir Lolo tahu lo komponen, lolo tahu pokok ciri kita ni nutrition, ciri pokok nutrisi. Lalu mau jadi berbeda. Kalau pokok kan di Yesus, kopi juga ada. Di Yesus, kalau di kita mau melakukan lagi ada. Kalau lewat itu bahwa quando morrer por Jesus Cristo, e morrer seria Prince of Peace. Nela tem que me cuide, quando ele vem, quando vai Upolo beri mapel, upolo beri ni, wakanda yung pengen, kalau kita beri na beri, kalau kita beri the name of Christ, itu semua. Kita yung pengen, kalau kita berkalbu na beri, kalau orang pengen ini orang ini Kalau ibu kena no bolo bukan aku dipunyai no kalau ini bisa juga ada ini yang berapa ada kalau ini tu kalau pi tu kalau ini ada yang bisa Your grace. I was also in elected position. I was a member of Parliament, I was a member of Constituent Assembly, I was a government minister. I've been doing judicial work. In 3 months, I was doing judicial work. I have seen it all. And I need to say this because we are in the elected side. Many people do not go into leadership to serve. Leadership has become a job today. That's why you see people throwing money all over the place. There are people who are selling their homes, their houses, to get that job because in 5 years to get back that money. That is not leadership. That's not what Christ came for. It does not break peace because it is a do or die. Either I win or you lose. So the alternative is the same. Either I win or you lose. And then you try to overcome one way again, way again, another. When you look at the overcome again, you need to dan dia saya kan aku berbuku diri ada nama nama berbuku Lama ada itu bila saya asli dari Thailand.